Okay, good evening to you all. As you all know, my name is Mohammed Isiaka Babawu. Today is our day 12 of capacity building training for 1,000 Nigerian civil servants on ICT, which we know the program is being powered by Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. So as you all know, we are going to start, as usual, we are going to start by showing our outlines for the day, which we have recap on the 11. We are going to have recap on yesterday class and then discuss about design menu bar in Microsoft Word. As well, know we discuss about main home and insert. So we are moving to design menu bar in Microsoft Word, and we will discuss about layout menu bar in Microsoft Word also. Then we move to practical aspects. After the practical aspect, then we have Q&A, that is question and answer, then conclusion and call it a day. So, as we all know, we discussed about header and footer in Microsoft Word, which we said it's used to add text or information at the top of header or bottom footer of each page, such as title, date, or document. As you all know, footer and header, like my colleague gave you an example. Let's say you are writing a book and you want it to be, let's say, is not for sale, or this book is powered by so company, so you can use that. So, and we also discuss about how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word. How to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word. I believe you all understood yesterday class. So if you have any question concerning yesterday class, you can go back to our WhatsApp group chat. There is link on yesterday class, so you can watch it so that you can put yourself through. Then we move to inserting page number, provide themes, color, styles to improve the look of documents. Okay, it's all part of our recap on yesterday class. So, okay, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. So we are going to discuss about design menu bar in Microsoft Word. As you all know, design menu bar is design its heading in Microsoft Word. Whenever you enter Microsoft Word, it's the heading, like you have home, inserts, draw, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, record, that's and so on in Microsoft Word. So the design heading, it's like predefined set of fonts, colors, and effects that give your document a professional look, like colors or font size or paragraph. It depends on, like, it's just a template that you can customize to make your work so perfect and official work. So you just see a template, then you will now edit everything. It will give you colors, font size, paragraph spacing, effects, set as default, like so much of that.
Sir,
Yes, you
sir,
will just
you
edit.
are, you are
Hello?
you do not the screen is not displaying.
The screen is not showing.
It's not showing.
It's not showing.
Yes.
I'm coming, please. Is it showing now, please?
Yes.
Okay. So as I said earlier, we are going to talk about design menu bar in Microsoft Word. It's also a heading in Microsoft. Whenever you enter a Microsoft Word, at the top you will see some headings. So each and every heading have its own functions and its own features. So we discuss about home, insert, and now we are moving to design. And as I explained earlier, it's design. It's predefined set of font colors and effects that give you a document professional look. Like you can use it to design any template. It's a template, so you will just select the one you want to edit, then you will just edit the template, whether you want to write an official letter or to any company or to any proposal to someone else. So you can just edit that template in under design. It has colors, whether if the colors make sense to you, or it has font size, spacing, paragraph. So when we get to practical, you will see more of that. Then we we will now move to we will now move to layouts menu bar in Microsoft Word. So this layout is also a heading in Microsoft Word. Hello, can you hear me, please? Hello, can you see my screen?
Hi.
Let me know, please. Hello. Okay. So we'll talk about layout menu bar in Microsoft Word. And this tab gives you tools to control the page, like setup margins or orientation, columns or spacing, and object arrangement. It's just a heading. Under the heading, you have a place where you arrange your columns of your page, or you arrange your margins. That's the line and the two lines, the starting and the ending of your page, or spacing of your writings. So when when we get to all this, or you can, it also has a place where you can select size of your paper. Let's say you want to print a paper, then you will now select which size you want, A4, A2, and the rest, and landscaping, line number, and so on. So when we get to practical, you will see more of that. Then let's move to our practical. Please, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, you see.
okay. So as we said earlier, we are going to start by design. When you enter your Microsoft Word, it will shows you heading here, then you will now click on design. We are under design now. As you can see, there is many templates. There is many templates here. Sorry. As you can see, there is this template, so you can select each and every template so that you can rewrite what is inside to make your document professional. Mm. Let's say we select this first one. I'm coming, please. Mm-hmm. So this is just like a covered page. You can select any of this so that you can edit it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. My system, it's kind of misbehaving. I don't know why it's not entering. I'm coming, please. I'm sorry, please. This my system is kind of misbehaving. Oh no. Oh, I'm coming. Let me just. You said. Let me. I'm sorry, please. This title, this our template here, I'm clicking it and it's not opening. I don't know what's happening, but please let's just move on to another one. Let me just explain. If whenever you click it on your system, when it's open, then you can just edit it to whatever you want. Like you just select the template you want, the type of template you want. As you can see, these are the cover this thing. These are the cover letters. Then these are the samples of the letters. So you can just select each and every one you want so that you can edit it. Then let's just talk about watermark in this under this design. Let's say if you want to add watermarks, as we all know, watermark is just like a picture under your letter, just like a logo of, let's say you have a letter-headed paper in your school. At the middle of that letter-headed, you see the school logo, but it's faded, and you see writing on top of it. So you can just click on this if you want to add the watermark. As you can see, confidential.
No, no, no.
Let's say if you want to use this confidential, you 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 rotate it like this, or if you want to use do not copy, you can just select. And if you want to, if you don't want this, you can also select you can also customize your watermark to make
Your
to
screen is
write
not showing.
whatever you want. You said
Your screen is not showing.
it's not showing. Please,
Yes.
can you check well?
His screen is showing. His screen is showing.
Okay,
Maybe
Okay.
it's
okay, maybe it's
on the
your
opposite
it's
I,
side.
maybe it's your network. Then let's say if you
My
want to
screen
put
is blank.
let's say if you
I
want
saw
to
it now.
put hello, please, we don't have much time. Let's say if you want to put a picture in your watermark, you can go back to here, you enter your watermark. If you don't want this, do not copy or confidential. You can even edit it to change your own writing. Then if you want to put picture, you will enter this custom watermark. Then it will shows you a place. You select on this picture here. You click on this picture watermark. Then you select a picture. It will take you to your gallery. Then you select a picture of the. I'm coming, please. Also, don't let it's loading. So you now click on OK. As you can see, this is our watermark. So you can write on top of this. You can write on top of this. Let's say this is our letterhead. So I just use our logo as the watermark. You see, if you want to use this one, do not copy. This is it. So if you want to edit this, do not copy. You can just click on this text here. Then you delete it. You can put, let's say, it's not for sale. Then you click on OK. As you can see, if you want that one that rotates, you can also do that. Then this page color. If you want to insert, let's say the page color, if let's say it's a cover this thing, cover letter or letter headed paper, if you want it to change the color of the letter of the paper, then you can click on this page color. You select any kind of color you want based on your customization. So you click on any one. This table border. Let's say if you want to put border like line to cover all your writings. Let's say it has this different style. It's this one is box. If you want to use something like this, as you can see, this is how it shows. It will cover all your this thing, your page with this line. Then if you want it to be 3D, you can select that. If you want to customize this one, as you can see, you can do that. So it's kind of different, you see. This page border. So I think we should just move on to layout because we don't have much time. So let me just start a new page. Then this layout, we move to layout as we discussed. It's used to change um, co- um it's used to change size of your size of paper, let's say columns in your writing, orientation or margins in your pages. These margins, eh, these margins, as you can see, let's say if you want to write small writing, let's say you can use this 1 to 1. You can select this. Your writing will start from here. Otherwise, if you select the other one, the writing will start at the back here. So if let's say if you write here continuously, if you write here continuously, it won't reach the end. It will just come down. You understand? So If you want to select, let's say you want to write much things, you can select 0.5. So this 0.5 is just like the place of your writing where you want it to start and where you want it to end. If you want it to start at the middle and at the beginning here to end close to the line, you can just select whatever you want. Then I will discuss about this orientation. This orientation means portrait and landscape. Whenever, let's say you want to print timetable, you can use landscape because of the days. Let's say if you want the number to be landscape, let's say you want it to be horizontal, you can select this whenever you want to print it. If you want it to be portrait straight, just like our A4 paper, you will now select this portrait before printing. So if I select landscape, this is how it's, let me, this is how it shows. Then let me select portraits. You see, this is portraits and this is landscape. It depends on whatever you want to print. Then let me turn it to portrait, our normal paper, our normal size. Then this size, it's the size of the paper. Normally we use A4. This one is A5. This one is A4. This is our normal size. So you can select whichever size you want. It has different size. This one it's 8.5. So by default, we normally use A4 for our day-to-day activities. Then these line numbers is just like you want to give your each and every line of your writing. Let's say you want to know the number of lines you have in your project. You can just use these line numbers and you click on continuous. Whenever you write, it will give each and every line number. You see, even each and every line will have its own number. So I don't know which kind of station you are going to use this kind of thing, though it's not that necessary. Then, sorry. Then this left and right alignment is just an alignment. Let's say, let's say you have a writing like this for a state. Let's say you want this for a state to move forward. So you now click on this right. Sorry. You now click on this left to add this thing. As you can see, my Zamfara is moving. If you want it to come back, as you can see, anywhere you want it to be, you can do that. Right, also, fine. Then I think that's all for this section. So that design, please, you should just go back and you should just do a practical concerning that. Then maybe tomorrow when I rectify my system, then I will put it through, please, before going forward to our next class. Tomorrow is Saturday. Okay, we have class tomorrow. And get ready for your assignments for this week. I think the assignments will be dropped on Sunday. So get ready for that. So please, if there is any question, You can unmute yourself and ask, please.
Hello.
Hello? Hello, I can hear you. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Please, concerning the previous lectures that you say you send them to the WhatsApp group. Up to now, you have not sent it to the group.
Okay, please, I'm sorry. The person in charge of posting the videos on YouTube, he's kind of busy. Things is too much for him. Please just hold on. I think today or tomorrow he will upload everything and we will share the link to you.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank
Okay.
Hello,
Good
sir.
evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
My name is Julia. Okay, my name is Julia. Thank you for the lecture. Please, I want to ask, apart from using laptop for practical, I personally don't have a laptop now. What other app can we use to do this practical for the design stuff you just talked about?
For the design,
Yes.
like to design what? For this practical that we just did just now.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
you.
what will happen is that I'm just advising you to find a system so that you can do your practical. I don't know what whether if you can use phone, but there is some kind of features that you cannot see it in phone. Let's say if you are using Android, you
Exactly.
can use WPS to
Okay.
do one or two things, but there's some kind of things that you can't see it in your phone. So it's better as you don't have system now. It's better you should just find a cafe where you can just hire a system, 30 minutes and 1 hour, so that you can just be doing your practical so that you won't forget. I can also remember when I started learning computer, I don't have a system for like how many months, but I still go to cafes sometimes to do some of my practical and also assignments. So please, you can just find a friend or you move to cafe to borrow a system so that you can be putting yourself through.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I have a
Hello, sir.
question.
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Please, as my question is just related to what my colleagues has just said. Can I
Okay.
use hello? Can I use tablets to have all this MS Works to do
Yes,
the?
you can use tablets, but I don't know whether if you can see all the features in tablet. I haven't experienced it, but I think you can see that in tab. Just try and see.
Okay,
Just try
okay,
and
thank
see
you.
since you have it.
Hello, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Uh, Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Uh, okay, thank you for the lecture. My
Okay.
question is that my system here from the picture, I'm not seeing design. I only see insert file home, insert. The design is not there.
The design is not there.
It's not there at all.
You said you only see
So
what?
I don't know. I only see home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. But the design is not there. Draw and design are not there. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Hello? Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Good evening. Yes, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please, you were
Yes, sir.
saying
My question.
something, please. I'm sorry, please.
Okay. Yes, I said that in my MS Word here, there is not design and draw. No idea what happened. So my laptop here is not showing design and draw at all. It's only inside page layout, homes, reference, mailing, review, and view. That's what I have here.
Okay. I'm coming. Let me use my Microsoft Word. You enter this file here. Can you see it? The first one we
Yeah.
discussed yesterday. Can you see this file here? Can you see my arrow?
Yes, I see arrow here.
Yes, the first heading.
Okay. The first heading.
Yes, file. Then you entered it. Then you click on more. Then you enter these options. Can you see
Okay.
it?
Now, yes, I'm seeing.
Okay. Then you now click on customize ribbon. Can you see customize ribbon?
Yes, I saw it.
Then you enter there. Can,
Okay.
can you see all my headings here?
Yes, I saw them.
So you will now
I saw
tick
them.
you will now tick the heading you want.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you now
Thank you.
okay, all right. You're welcome. Then any question, please? Hello? Hello? If there's any question, we can call it today.
I think you
Hello?
have exhausted our questions, sir.
Okay, okay. All right. Thank you for listening.
Hi, sir. You have exhausted our questions, sir.
Okay, thank you for listening.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let's call it a day. Good night.
Good night, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you.